For this video, I am going to teach you how to remove background using Adobe Express. So the process is pretty straightforward, and the first thing that you need to do is to open up your Adobe Creative Cloud and locate Adobe Express from the options that you have there under the feature section. Now, once you are in here, what you need to do is locate this remove background tool. It should be available on the center part of your screen, but if you cannot locate that one, you can go to the photo section and then select remove background. So it is the first option that I have here under the photo quick actions. So I'm just going to simply click onto it, and it says right here drag and drop an image, or you can also browse through your local device. So I'm just going to locate the photo that I want to add right here and let the tool do its thing for me. So as you can see, after a few seconds, or after just a few seconds, the background of my photo is now removed. Now on the right side part, you'll have options. So you can upload image as a background if you want to do that, but you have more options once you scroll down right here. So you have sandy sea and so on, but you can also go for a solid color by clicking onto this custom color option right here. So let us try a pink color. So I have this one, but you can go, so I'll go for a custom if you want to. So oh, there you go. That is how you can remove a background. But if you don't have a background for your photo, you can do so by just going to this transparent option, by selecting this transparent option. And if you are done, you can just download your photo by hitting this download button, or you can also open it in an editor by hitting the open in editor button on the bottom part of your screen. So there you go. That is how you can remove a background using Adobe Express. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.